Welcome to Asharfa English.
Hello, I am looking for apartment.
Sure, what type do you want?
I need a family apartment.
How many bedrooms do you need?
At least 3 bedrooms, please.
We have a good option for you.
How much is the monthly rent?
It's $850 per month total.
Are any utilities bills included?
Water and gas are included.
Is electricity bill included too?
No, electricity is paid separately.
How many rooms are inside?
It has 3 rooms.
Is there a living room?
Yes, a spacious living room.
Does the kitchen have equipment?
Yes, it has basic appliances.
Are pets allowed in apartment?
Yes, small pets are allowed.
Is the neighborhood quiet and safe?
Yes, it's peaceful and safe.
Is there public transport nearby?
Yes, a bus stop nearby.
Is the apartment on ground floor?
No, it's on second floor.
Is there an elevator inside building?
Yes, there is an elevator.
Does the apartment have balcony view?
Yes, balcony faces the park.
What is the security deposit?
1 month rent as deposit.
Is the deposit refundable later?
Yes, if there's no damage.
Can I see the apartment today?
Yes, you can come anytime today.
Can I bring my family along?
Yes, your family is welcome too.
What is the exact address?
It's 25 Maple Street, downtown.
How old is this apartment building?
It's about 10 years old.
Is there any parking available here?
Yes, free parking is available downstairs.
How many neighbors live nearby here?
There are 4 other tenants.
Is there a laundry facility inside?
Yes, laundry room on ground floor.
Does it have an internet connection?
Yes, high-speed internet is available.
Can I pay rent online monthly?
Yes, online payments are accepted.
Do I need to sign lease?
Yes, a yearly lease agreement.
Can I break lease if needed?
Yes, with 1 month prior notice.
When is the rent due monthly?
Rent is due every first.
Is there a late fee charge?
Yes, after 5 days delay.
Can I paint the apartment walls?
Yes, but return to original.
Is smoking allowed in apartment rooms?
No, this is a non-smoking building.
Are parties allowed inside the apartment?
Quiet gatherings are allowed sometimes.
What kind of heating system inside?
Central heating with thermostat control.
Is air conditioning included?
Yes, it has central air conditioning.
Can I install extra shelves inside?
Yes, but avoid wall damage.
Are curtains all ready and the windows?
Yes, curtains are already installed.
Can I hang pictures on walls?
Yes, use removable wall hooks.
How do I report repair issues?
Just call or email our office.
Who handles trash pickup?
We have a local waste service.
Are pets allowed in common areas?
Yes, but pets must be leashed.
Is there a place for bikes?
Yes, bike racks are outside building.
Can I plant flowers outside apartment?
Yes, in small pots only.
Can I receive packages at door?
Yes, deliveries come to front door.
Can I install my own furniture?
Yes, bring your own furniture inside.
Is it okay to renovate inside?
Small changes are fine with approval.
Can I use the rooftop area?
Yes, rooftop is open to tenants.
Is there a playground for kids?
Yes, park nearby has a playground.
Is smoking allowed on the balcony?
No, balcony is smoke-free zone.
Are pets allowed in the balcony?
Yes, but don't leave unattended.
What kind of flooring is inside?
It has wooden floors.
Is the bathroom clean and modern?
Yes, bathroom is clean and updated.
Does bathroom have hot water supply?
Yes, hot water is always available.
Are there grocery stores nearby here?
Yes, 2 supermarkets very close by.
Is there a pharmacy close by?
Yes, it's just around corner.
Is there a gym in building?
Yes, there's a small gym downstairs.
Is gym free for all tenants?
Yes, included in rent payment.
Will someone show me the apartment?
Yes, I'll give you full tour.
Can I take photos during tour?
Yes, take pictures if you like.
Can I record a short video?
Yes, video is also allowed inside.
Is it possible to reserve apartment?
Yes, with small holding deposit.
How much is holding deposit amount?
Just $100 to hold the place.
Will holding deposit be refunded later?
Yes, or it goes toward rent.
Can I get lease in print?
Yes, I'll give paper copy too.
Can I move in next week?
Yes, if all papers are ready.
Will someone help during move-in day?
Yes, building staff can assist you.
Is this building under CCTV surveillance?
Yes, security cameras are everywhere.
Can I meet current tenants inside?
Yes, some may be available today.
Can I speak with previous renter?
I can ask and let you know.
Can I request cleaning before move-in?
Yes, we clean before every tenant.
Thank you. Everything sounds really good.
You're welcome. Hope you move in.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.